For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So right now I am currently back in Dallas, Texas. Okay, I'm here for a visit, a very short visit, mainly to link up with friends, family. I haven't been back home in 6 months. You guys, this is my fourth attempt at filming this particular video. I don't know why it's been so hard for me to just sit down and do this tutorial. Not this tutorial, sorry. That's probably why, because I'm used to doing tutorials. I'm not used to doing like sit down videos. So like I've done this video like legitimately, I've done this video like legitimately like 3 times now, and I've hated it, and I just didn't even have the zeal or energy to edit it for you guys. So what I want to do for this video, I want to show you guys what I've been up to rather than tell you guys, because that's just the most interesting way I found to tell this story. I just want to apologize to you guys really quickly, because I know as a YouTuber it's almost expected for me to take you guys through like my journey and every step of the way, have my camera like, hey guys, but I didn't feel like doing that. It's mostly because I wanted to experience this myself. Now when I decided to move to Nigeria, I didn't do it because I wanted some creative content or travel vlog content for you guys. I legitimately moved because I had planned to do this movie for years. Okay, I came to this country, the US, when I was about, I think I was like 12. Yeah, I was like 11 or 12 years old when I came to the country, and I've been here for over a decade now, and ever since I've been here, I'd always known I was going to move back. Don't ask me why. I've just always envisioned myself living in Nigeria because that's home to me. That's what I was familiar with. That was my life. So I'd always planned on moving back. So I spent the good portion of the last 6 years just working towards it, and a lot of people just think I woke up and decided like I wanted to move to Africa. No, that was not the case at all, like at all. Honestly, I wish I wish I had that much balls, but no, that was not the case at all. This has been a well thought out plan, life plan, so that's why I wanted to experience it, be in the moment. And plus there are people out there that are actually looking towards moving back home, and they needed like advice and stuff, and I didn't want to prematurely give anybody any ideas or any advice on this situation because I'm still living in it. So I didn't want to influence your decisions just based on my immature perspective. So I wanted to have lived there. I wanted to have done things for myself before I can come on camera and be like, hey guys, this is how you do this, and then I wanted to come out here prepared and ready to talk about this, and I feel like I'm at a good space where I can actually sit here and talk to you guys about it. Moving to Nigeria is no joke. Like, moving to Nigeria has probably been one of the most difficult things I've ever had to do in my life, and I thought I was prepared for it, and when I say it took me years to prepare for this, I'm not joking. Like, it legitimately took me like years to prepare for this move, and even after that much of that time span of preparation, I still feel like I wasn't ready enough. You can never really be ready enough for that place. This video is gonna be all over the place. Okay, so let me just go through the timeline, right? The timeline of before I moved to when I moved. Okay, and I'm gonna insert some video clips for you guys just so you can see. So it's not just me rambling on and on and on about things that you probably don't care about, and I also probably don't care about to talk about. So let's just talk about it.
Gaga music. Larry Gaga. Baby say your mata na mata oh.
In December of 2018, this was about a couple of months before I moved in 2019, I decided to do a house hunting in Lagos, Nigeria. So I checked out a couple of apartments within different areas of VI, Oniru, Lekki, just within the islands, and I was not able to find the ones that I wanted until like literally the very last spot I checked was when I found my current home. So I'll be saving that for last, but right now I just want to show you guys the different spots that I looked at before I found my current place of living, my shelter. So yeah, so in Nigeria, some of the places like when you start looking for apartments, they're not like clean or anything until you put down the money and then they do the cleaning for you, or sometimes you have to do your own cleaning and things like that. So that's why you see some of the places have like wood. Also, some of the places I checked out at that time were still under construction, and you also see with the units that I got, my current place when I first found it, it was still under construction, not all the way completed yet. So yeah, so this particular unit, I really liked it. I liked the inside, the openness of the living area. It just looked really nice, very spacious. The only reason I didn't go for this spot, because it was between this one and another unit. The reason I didn't go for this spot is because I wanted to work and live in the same space, kind of like what I was doing in Dallas before I left. But this unit would not allow me to do that because everything is very flat, so it's all on one floor, and I kind of wanted that separation of like my house and then my workspace and then where I live. And you get to see that in the house that I chose because it's like a terrace style house, which is closest to what you would call a townhome. So that's kind of like the style that I thought was ideal for my situation, and it worked out perfectly.
Baby, no one has to know. No one has to know. Baby, my body will go down on the low, down on the low. Make it down on the low. Do I'm on the low. Baby, give it on the low. Keep it on the low. Baby, my body will. Oh yeah. Baby girl, say I want you in my life, nah, nah. Cause I know, say you want me in your life, nah, nah. Nothing I do, I go carry you past your side, nah, nah, nah. Me and you, we go there for life, oh. Boy, I love my daily, oh. Yeah. Nibilo my pussy, oh. Yeah. Baby girl, I fit fight for your matter, oh. Yeah. I promise I no go to use you play my yo. Go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, no one has to know, baby, no one has to know. Baby, my body will go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, keep it on the low, make it keep it on the low. Baby, my body will.
So you guys, this is my house. I can't wait to show you guys. So when I first found this place, I was like jumping with joy because I'm like, ooh, it literally had everything that I wanted, from 24-hour electricity to top-notch security, clean water, anything you can think of, it has it. Okay, I loved that it had like 3 floors, first floor, second, third. Had a townhome style feel to it because then I could work and on the bottom floor, work on the second floor, and then live at the top floor, so I don't feel like I'm working and living in the same space. So this is the kitchen. Like I mentioned previously, when you first get home, sometimes they're not always as clean as you would want it to be, so sometimes you have to kind of clean things on your own and things like that, which is what I had to do. So this is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom and a boys quarters unit. And I know you guys, Marita, why do you need that much space? Why do you need that much space? Well, I actually do need a lot of space, you guys. Like, for one, I work there. 2, I have a lot of stuff. Like, I easily outgrow places. It's really crazy, and I just like a lot of space because I am always at home, and I like to feel like I don't like feeling closed in. Like, I like to feel like I have a lot of space around me, and that is what this unit had. And it had a lot of natural light coming in from every and any angles, and I love that because it made the space feel so open. So I really appreciated that about my unit.
Baby, no one has to know, no one has to know. Baby, my body will go down on the low, down on the low. Make it do I'm on the low, make it do I'm on the low. Baby, give it on the low, keep it on the low.
So this is one of the bedrooms. I decided to turn this particular bedroom into my walk-in closet, and I'll show you guys briefly the just like a quick little mini transformation. Mainly because the closet that comes with these houses, especially most of the apartments or homes in Nigeria, they're more like wardrobes and not like an actual closet. And I have a lot of clothes, you guys, like a lot of clothes, and I just needed a place where I can just get glammed up, look cute, and just be able to see what I have without making the place get all messy. Like, I just needed a place in the house that was me, and that was the room that I chose to do that in. So when you go upstairs, there's like 2 more bedrooms at the very top floor. One of them is my bedroom and the other one is my studio. And in this space that she's standing in, I turned that into a little office space where I edit my videos. And this is the studio room where I shoot videos from time to time. And then the 2, I think there's 1 more bedroom downstairs, and I turned that one into a classroom where I teach, you know, hairstylists, you know, just teach classes, teach people how to do hair. If you're interested and you're in Lagos, Nigeria, and you want to learn how to do hair, definitely hit me up. I have a great program that I'm currently offering, and you get to learn how to do pretty much everything that I know how to do. I'm going to pass down my knowledge to you within the period of 8 weeks. I do have a payment plan structure available for everybody. The curriculum is customized based on what you know, what skill set you already have and all that stuff. So this is my master bedroom. It has a little French doors leading to the closet, a lot of natural light. So important that I have natural light, because I like feeling like I'm in an open space so that way I can breathe. So having a lot of natural light coming in was very important. And the one thing I don't like about this space is the stairs. Like, I didn't realize how much work I'd have to do to just go up and down the stairs. There's some days when I'm like hungry and I just decide to stay upstairs because I just don't even have the energy to come downstairs to get food. So I definitely did not think that part through, but other than that, it's been great living in this space. I do see myself moving out really soon, not because I don't like it, but because I like change. I like going to live in different places. So yeah. So for the past 6 months, what have I been up to, you guys? So I have been just trying to make this place feel like home, make it feel habitable. That's a word. So pretty much trying to decorate, trying to renovate, trying to put things in place that, you know, just to make the place feel more like home, because, you know, I left the US. I don't have my mom here. My brother's not here. So I'm out here by myself. So I just wanted my space to feel a little bit homely. So I decided to do a garden outside. It was very beautiful, you guys. The garden was gorgeous. And I did some fake grass on the side of the house. I'm gonna do like a little outside lounge area where the grass is going to be, which is this little corner. I'm gonna put like some outdoor living chairs and stuff like that. It's gonna be cute. But let's just see. I may stay in this space 1 more year just because I put in a lot of work into it. And then after that, I'm gonna dip. I'm gonna take all my grass with me and I'm gonna dip. But as you can see, he's just painting it white so that way the flowers can pop and it looks good. And I decided to do this garden under my stairs just to make it like the focal point when you walk into the house. It was so cute. I put some white stones at the bottom and all that stuff. It's very nice. And then this is some clips of when they were when they were creating my walk-in closet. As you can see, I finally got some curtains up, which was a whole little annoying process, but thankfully that was able to get done. I did some gray and white, and then I just did the walk-in closet. It came out really cute. So for the most part, I've just been, you know, enjoying life, like literally just enjoying my space, you know, going out like to different restaurants, eating my face off, making friends or trying to make friends. That's a whole nother story. But I met some really amazing people, you know, like it's been great. I've just been having fun. Nigeria, like there's literally never a dull moment out there. So I've just literally been enjoying life and just being in the moment. And hopefully in the future I'll be posting more vlogs on Mainland TV so you guys can see. So make sure you guys subscribe to that other channel to get more, you know, insights of what I've been up to. You know, I've also been working out a lot, or trying to. That's a lie. I just lied to y'all. That's a damn lie. Anyways, cheers to a good time, new place, new friends, new memories, and
nothing I do, I go carry you past your side. Me and you
answer your question, why did I move back? Like I said, I moved back because, you know, Nigeria is me. I'm at home. I feel at home when I'm in Nigeria. I'm happier there. I want to start my business over there because I want to have my family in Nigeria one day. So I'm just working towards that goal. I'm working towards that dream. That's what I'm doing. So to answer your questions, no, I'm not pregnant. No, I'm not married. No, I don't have any children. I'm just here because I want to be here and I'm happy here, and that's, yeah. So I just hope you guys can be happy for me, and I hope you guys can support this journey that I decided to embark on, this difficult journey. But I feel much better than I did 3 months ago or 6 months ago. I'm happier, you know, I've settled a little bit, so I'm starting to understand the place and understand, you know, where I fit in and, you know, how to move around, navigate. If anyone is thinking of relocating back to Africa, I would say take your time and really do your research and make sure you're prepared, not just financially but emotionally and like mentally. You have to be ready because that place will drive you mad. My biggest prayer since I moved back was to just like not lose myself. That was one thing I had always been so adamant about. When I catch myself doing things in situations that I would normally do in the US, like I have to catch myself and remember who you are, remember why you're here, and just don't get lost in this system. Don't get lost in this place because it's so easy, you guys. It's so easy. There's so many times I've caught myself wanting to do things just out of spite, like things I just normally wouldn't do that are just so out of character for me, but because of the frustration and anger, and it's so easy to get angry over there, bro, if you have anger issues, work on that stuff before you come back, because it's so easy to get angry, it's so easy to be spiteful, it's so easy to be just a bitter person out here. It's so easy. So you have to make sure you have your mind and nobody can take that away from you. If you're an entrepreneur, this is definitely a place to be because, like I said, this place is still developing. There's still so many things out here that do not work. So coming out here with your innovative plans and your innovative ideas is gold, okay? So, but you just have to remember that it's going to be difficult. Nigeria is going to test you. Nigeria is not a place that makes it easy to succeed. Like, Nigeria is not a place. Even if you came back from abroad or America, as long as your skin is still black, Nigeria is going to test you. It's going to make it really difficult for you. Unless you have money, or your father has money, your mother has money, and you're a prominent family or whatever, it's a little bit easier. But if you're a nobody like myself, and you came out here with your hopes and dreams, and you're a beautiful dark chocolate skin, it's going to be hard. It's going to be hard. You're going to see other expatriates with the same ideas and innovation as you. They're going to get more respect than you. They're going to be valued more than you. They're going to accomplish more than you. But just hang in there and trust yourself, trust your guts, trust who you are, trust your dream, trust your plan. Protect it at all costs. And you make it. Yeah, I really do believe you will. So, yeah, I hope this video gives you some insight as to what I've been going through for the past couple of months. So you understand and excuse my absence on YouTube. I haven't been as consistent as you guys are probably used to me being, but just know things are changing for the better. So just hang in there and let's ride this wave together. By this time next year, I'm going to be in a totally different space by God's grace, and I want you guys to be there with me for it, so just bear with me. It's going to be hard before it gets really good, so